Now, I'm a massive fan of a family business, and this is one that's been established and going now into the second generation. It is, of course, Pentagon Prosthetics. It's great to see you, Paul. Tell us a little bit about the business.
The business itself, we're a family business, as you said. So I'm second generation. The business was started by my father back in 1972, so we've been going for quite a few years. We like to think the longevity is because we're good at what we do. The business is laid on the foundations of manufacturing the mould tools and also doing the injection moulding all from one site. So we kind of a one-stop shop really for customers who need a bit of assistance on the design. So design for manufacture at the outset of the project, usually to try and take some cost out from the customer's perspective, so there's more chance that the product will come to market rather than lose itself because the customer can't afford it. So we try and work closely with the customers to try and deliver a full service really that they need from the plastic side.
So how are you able to keep the tradition of the original business and then moving forward with the technology that's available now?
It's difficult at times. It's very difficult. I think we made a large change probably about 8 years ago when we started moving into social media side of things. So we became quite prevalent on Twitter to start with, and using different medias, website became much more of an interactive tool to offer customers opportunities to download information that maybe wasn't available. So they didn't necessarily have to phone, they could just use the site as a portal for that type of stuff. And just keeping the ethos of the family orientation of making everybody inclusive within the business, feel like they're empowered to make change themselves, and also just to keep offering the customers what they need. So evolving the business in a way that meets the customer demand rather than just there's a new fad that we think, oh, that might be quite nice. We'd rather have a customer who needs that rather than just going off on our own.
Now, it's the 7th year of the Engineering Design Show. How many years have you been here, and what is it, do you think, about the show that keeps it so relevant and so busy?
Well, we missed it last year. It clashed with myself and my colleagues' one a wedding anniversary and my son's 18th birthday, so we couldn't make it. We was here the year before, which was the first year we'd done it, and it was a very successful show for us. I think the title is the right one for the type of people that we're trying to attract into our business. They're the sort of people we can help, and we can work with product designers and engineer design, and it really is the key element of the people we need to be in front of to let people know what our service is and how we can help them.
Well, good luck with the rest of the show, and if you do want to come down, you do get a rather fantastic moulded paperclip, which I am going to put in my back pocket because this is going to be awesome in my office. Thank you very much.